Welcome to Code Map. Today we will discuss Leetcode question number 918, which is maximum sum circular subarray. This video will consist of three sections. In first section, we will discuss the question. In the second section, I will discuss the approach, and in the third section, I will discuss the C++ code. Now let's discuss the question first. The question given is that we will be given an array. We have to find maximum sum subarray. But the condition given is that the array will be circular. Now let's understand what circular array means. Circular array means in circular array, the next element after the last element is the first element. Prerequisite for this question is we must know cadence algorithm. If you don't know cadence algorithm, then I will suggest first to study about the cadence algorithm, then move ahead with this question. Now let's just understand the question with a test case. Now the first test case is given that the numbers in the array are 1, -2, 3, -2. In this array, the maximum sum subarray is 3. Now looking at the second test case, the given array is 5, -3, and 5. In this, the maximum sum subarray is 5 and this 5, which is 10. So our output is 10. Now let's discuss the approach. If the given question was a simple array, then we can get our result by simply applying the cadence algorithm. Now look at the first case. If the given array was not circular, then our result would be lying between the starting and ending of this array, and somewhere in the middle, max. But it is given that the array is circular, so we have two cases. In first case, our maximum subarray may lie somewhere in the middle, and the remaining part of this array will be the minimum sum subarray, means this red one. In the second case, our some part of our maximum sum subarray could lie at the end, and some part may lie in the beginning, means in a circular way. Then the remaining part of this array will be minimum sum subarray. If we have this minimum sum subarray, then we can calculate this maximum sum subarray. How we can calculate this? We can calculate this just by subtracting this minimum sum with the total sum. If I will subtract this minimum sum with the total sum, then this will give our maximum sum subarray, which is the remaining part of this array. So we will use this approach to get our result. Now let's understand it with a sample. This is our given test case. I will take 5 variables. First, I will take total sum. Second variable will be current max. Third variable will be max, which I will denote as mx. And fourth variable will be current min. And fifth variable will be min, which I will denote as mn. I will assign total as 0, current max is 0, and max as the first element of the array, 1, current min as 0, and minimum as first element of the array. Now I will traverse this array. So the first element of the array is 1. So the total sum will become 0 plus 1, 1. Now our current max will be max of max of 0 plus 1 comma 1, which is cadence algorithm. So using the cadence algorithm, we will calculate the current max. So this will give 1. So the max of 1 and 1 will be 1. So the value of current max will be 1. And max will be maximum of current max and mx. So maximum of 1 and 1 is 1. So mx will remain as 1. Now current min will be in the same way, minimum of current min plus element of the array, first element of the array, 1 comma first element of the array. So minimum of 1 comma 1 is 1. So current min will be 1 and minimum will be minimum of current min and mn. So mn will remain 1. Now we will move to the second element of the array, which is minus 2. So our total sum will become 1 minus 2, which will become 1. Now our current max will be max of current max plus minus 2 and minus 2. It's current max minus element of the array and comma element of the array. So 1 minus 2 becomes minus 1 and minus 2. So maximum of minus 1 and minus 2 is minus 1. So our current max will become minus 1 and our max will be maximum of current max and mx. So maximum of minus 1 and 1 is 1. So mx will remain as 1. Now moving to current min, our current min will become 1 current min minus this element of the array minus 2 comma minus 2, which is minus 1 and minus 2. So minimum of minus 1 and minus 2 is minus 2. So our current minimum will be minus 2 and minimum will be minimum of current min and minimum. So minimum of minus 2 and 1 is minus 2. So our mn will become minus 2. Now moving to the third element of the array, which is 3. So our total sum will become this is 1 minus 2, this is minus 1. Now minus 1 plus 3, our total sum is 2. Our total sum is 2. Now current max will become max of minus 1 plus 3 and 3. So minus 1 plus 3, 2 and 3. Max of 2 and 3 is 3. Our current max will become 3 and mx will become max of current max and mx. So max of 3 and 1 is 3. Now our current min will be minus 2 plus 3, which is 1 and 3. Minimum of 1 and 3 is 1. Our current minimum will be 1, and mn will be minimum of current min and mn. So minimum of 1 and minus 2 is 1. So mn will remain as minus 2. Now moving to the last element of the array, which is minus 2. So total sum will become 2 minus 2, which is 0. And current max will become, current max will be 3 minus 3 plus minus 2 comma minus 2, which is 1 minus 2. So max of 1 and minus 2 is 1. And our max will be maximum of current max and mx. So maximum of 1 and 3 is 3. So mx will remain as 3. Now coming to current main, current main will become 1 plus minus 2 minus 2, which is minus 1 and minus 2. So minimum of minus 1 and minus 2 is minus 2. My current main will be minus 2 and minimum will be minimum of current main and mn. So minimum of minus 2 and minus 2 is minus 2. So mn will remain minus 2. Now we have traversed our array. Now we have min. And using this min, we can get the max. How we can get the max? We will just simply minus this min with total sum. So our result will be maximum of this max and total minus max min. So I'm using this max because if our maximum sub array may lie in the middle. If this mx is greater, this means that our maximum sub array lies somewhere in the middle. And if this is not, if this is minimum and this total minus min is maximum, this means that it matches our second condition, means some part of our maximum sub array lies at the end and some part lies at the start, considering the circular way. So our mx is 3, our total is 0 minus, and our min is minus 2. So 3 comma 3, our result is maximum of this 3 and 3. So max of 3 and 3 is 3. So our result is 3. Now let's check the output. We can see that the output is 3. Now let's discuss the C++ code. Here we can see that we have taken the 5 variable as I have discussed in the approach. And I have initialized this mn with the first element of the array and current min with 0 and maximum with the first element of the array and current max is 0 and total sum is 0. Now I am iterating over the array and I am calculating the total sum, current min, current max, and then max, as I have discussed in the approach. Now, here I am checking if mx is lesser than equal to 0. This condition will satisfy when all the elements of the array is negative. Means if all the element of the array is negative, then the maximum negative value will be our result. In that case, mx will be our result. If this condition doesn't match, then our result will be max of mx and total sum minus mn. So this is the C++ code.